All right, today I'm taking a look at the Acer 3-in-1 USB-C hub. So the first thing I'm noticing is a nice metal case on it. It has USB-C power delivery, HDMI, and USB-A port. It's got a nice soft cable on it, and at the end, it is a USB-C plug. So the first thing I want to do is I want to plug the power from my laptop directly into this. That way I free up that USB-C port on this side of the laptop. The next thing I want to do is I want to plug in the HDMI. There we go. So I've got this monitor now over here. So I can just take whatever I want, drag it over here. So I can do all my work on here and I can watch a video over there. So the last thing I want to do is plug in a USB drive, and it did pick that up right away. And if I copy all of these files, it is 15.7 gigabytes of videos and pictures. Oh wow, that's going real fast. Okay, so we're looking at almost 650 megabytes per second. So very fast. Now let's do a speed test. Okay, so we are getting excellent numbers with this. For the best case scenario, 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, we're getting 1,043 megabytes per second on the read, 845 on the write. Worst case scenario, random 4K, 1 process, 1 thread, we're getting 35 and 80. So this is excellent numbers. So that is partially due to the thumb drive, but also has a lot to do with the interface on this hub itself. Not all hubs can produce those numbers, so that is an excellent hub. So yeah, the fact that I can just come home, drop my laptop down, plug one plug into here, I'll already have power, I'll have HDMI, and I'll have a USB-A port. That makes this a very nice hub.